In a sporting goods shop, you sell seasonal items. People buy bicycles in the spring, snow skis in the winter. That's pretty clear. But if you're in the business, you also know that to get the best discounts, you need to buy your bicycles in September for the next season. And you need to order skis and ski boots in the spring for the next winter. The manufacturers offer deep discounts because by getting the orders well in advance, they know how many they have to manufacture before starting production. You need to order in advance and get the deep discounts. Retailing sporting goods is not just about selling the functionality, but also the latest and greatest. In many cases, customers will make their decisions based on emotion and keeping up with their friends and peers. The skis you sold last season are out of date. They are last year's models that you'll have to deeply discount to sell. Because of this, you always need to be buying the latest based on what's hot and what's not. This is different than a hardware store. In a hardware store, they sell hammers. They always need to have hammers in stock. If they run low, they buy some of the same hammers because they don't change much from year to year. Some of your inventory will fall into this category. For example, batteries. You'll need these year-round, and Sports Store POS can do a great job for these items. The real trick is how to deal with seasonal items and new and improved models or styles. Do you just sell bicycles in March, or will you sell some in March, April, May, June, and July? If all the bicycles arrived at the end of February, would you have enough room in your store or warehouse for all of them? Would you have to pay for your entire spring inventory in February if they all arrived at the same time? Could you afford it? You need a system to help you order the latest products well in advance to arrive in your store on time when you need them. Sports Store POS will allow you to plan in advance. You can review your sales for this year and create a budget for the next year. You can specify how many dollars worth of bicycles you plan to sell next March, April, May, June, and July. You can then start to purchase these items in the fall so you can get the best discounts from the manufacturers. You can look at the newest products and decide what will sell rather than just automatically buy the same models as last year. As you do your purchasing, you can quickly review how much you need to spend, how much you've already purchased, and how much you still need to buy for each month. The trick to making money in the sporting goods industry is good purchasing. Getting the best discounts by ordering early. Ordering the latest and greatest styles or models. Having the inventory arrive on time as you need it. And not having to actually pay for it until it arrives. With Sports Store POS, you can review previous sales levels by subcategory by month, budget in advance for each subcategory of inventory by month, order your inventory well in advance, complete with arrival dates, review your purchases by seeing how much you need to spend, how much you have purchased so far, and how many dollars worth of inventory you still need to buy for each month.